Alright, hey, what's going on, guys? So what I have in for repair today is a PlayStation 4, and this is the original one. What's going on with it is no video. So let's go ahead and let's check that out. Okay, when we get a no video PlayStation, what we want to do is, or if you're at home and yours is doing this, to test it, plug in HDMI cord, gently move it up and down, see if it's wiggling too much. If it is wiggling a lot, then it's probably the HDMI port. If not, then the second step, plug in the power cable, power cord, power block, whatever you want to call it. And we're going to hold the power button till we hear a second beat. First one. Second beat, okay? And what this is going to do is it's going to change the resolution. So there we go. Immediately, this one turned on, okay? So that lets me know that this doesn't have an HDMI port issue. And this was just the screen resolution issue, okay? So this is what you want to do first, because if you are at home playing and you have, let's say, a 1080p, okay, and you go to your friend's house, and when you go to your friend's house, it's not working, this could be why, okay? So I'm just doing this. Normally it would just reset itself, but I think maybe a hard drive issue here. Let's find out. So it's saying it's rebuilding the database, and we don't have, here it is. So always try this first. I've done several videos on this and I get a lot of people commenting, it's not working for me. I've tried it, what could possibly be wrong? These are the first step that I go through personally before I start taking someone's console apart to try to figure out what's going on with it. I do this first. If this doesn't work or it fail at some point or another, then I move on and I try to figure out what else could possibly be wrong with it, okay? And here's the truth. My price doesn't change because it only took me 5 minutes to fix this. No, because one of the reasons why I don't change my price is because if I do all this and it works fine for me, and I give the customer a 90-day warranty, and in 90 days they come back and it's something else that I didn't see in the short period of time that I was checking it out, I can't go back and recharge that customer again, because they're gonna say, wait, I paid you already once. So I charge what I charge. No matter what I find that's wrong with the console, that's just what I charge. I don't call them back and say, hey, unfortunately the price went up. If I'm gonna do that, I'll stop myself and I'll say, hey, look, what I quoted you was wrong. Here's what I found before I even go any further. But if it's something like this, it is what it is. The price is the price. I'm not gonna change if they come back later on and it's something else, then I take the loss there. But if I can catch it before, then it's different, okay? So like the console before this, I charge a customer based on the HDMI port being damaged, and it wasn't the HDMI port, right? So in that case, the price should have been different because the part price is different between the HDMI port and the HDMI encoder. But I did call the customer back and says, hey, look, you know, the price is now this. No, it is what it is. Move on. And you might say, well, you know, your business is taking a loss. Yeah, in some places you're going to take a loss, and in other places you're going to gain. Where it's like this, you're going to gain. Where you just took a loss. You know, it is what it is. And this might come back again, and then at that point it's like, okay, well, I'm breaking even because now I found out that this console has another issue that I didn't catch in the short period of time, like I said before, while I'm checking it. Like right now I'm checking it, everything seems fine. We're just gonna let it finish going through the process and then see if we get to the home screen. And then if it gets to the home screen, then we should be good to go. If not, then we have to copy the hard drive onto a new hard drive, copy the information from the hard drive onto a new hard drive, and then give that to the customer. So there we go. Alright, and that fixes it. And that's it. Alright guys, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.